Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful sofa. First, gather your essential tools and materials, including a sturdy frame, high-density foam, and durable upholstery fabric. Begin by inspecting your chosen frame for any imperfections, ensuring it is robust and ready for assembly. A well-constructed frame is the foundation of a comfortable and beautiful sofa, providing support for many years of enjoyment. Next, focus on the frame's construction, which is crucial for the sofa's longevity. Utilize kiln-dried hardwood such as maple or oak for superior strength and warp resistance. Secure all joints with wood glue and screws, ensuring a tight and stable structure. Adding corner blocks at key stress points like armrests and legs will provide extra reinforcement, making your sofa incredibly durable and resilient. Now, let's move to the comfort elements. For the seat cushions, opt for high-density foam with a density of at least 2.0 pounds per cubic foot. Wrap this foam in a layer of Decor batting to achieve a plush, rounded look and prevent fabric sagging. For the back cushions, a blend of down and feathers or shredded foam provides a luxurious, inviting feel, ensuring maximum relaxation. Finally, it's time for upholstery and the finishing touches. Begin by carefully stretching your chosen fabric over the frame, ensuring it is taut and wrinkle-free. Use a heavy-duty staple gun to secure the fabric, working from the center outwards to maintain even tension. Pay close attention to corners and seams for a professional finish. Adding decorative piping or elegant tufting can elevate your sofa's aesthetic, making it truly unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.